are requested to get ready for the national Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, be seated, please. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, I request you to declare the convocation open.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I declare the convocation open.
Thank you, sir. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we formally initiate the proceedings of the convocation with the recitation from the Holy Quran. I call upon Mr. Hassan Sher to recite a few verses from the Holy Quran. Mr. Hassan Sher.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن المتقين في جنات ونهر في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم صدق الله العظيم.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now deans and nominee deans of faculties shall present their candidates for the award of degrees. Professor Dr. Athar Nadeem, Dean, Faculty of Agriculture, is requested to present the candidates for the award of degrees.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the College of Agriculture and Institute of Food Science and Nutrition who have been duly admitted to receive degrees of PhD, MSc Honors, and BSc Honors, to which I pray they be admitted.
Professor Dr. Ghulam Abbas, Dean, Faculty of Arts and Humanities, is requested to present the candidates for award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from College of Law, Institute of Arts and Design, Department of Urdu Language and Literature, Department of Communication and Media Studies, Department of English, Department of Information Management, Department of Sports Sciences, Department of Islamic Studies, Department of Arabic Language and Literature, Department of Punjabi Language, Literature and Culture, Department of Persian, who have been duly admitted to receive the degree of PhD, MPhil, LLM, MA, MSc, BS, BA and ADA, to which I pray they be admitted. Thank you.
Professor Dr. Ghulam Ali Bhatti, nominee of the Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, is requested to present the candidates for award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Civil Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and Department of Engineering Technology, who have been duly admitted to receive the degree of MSc Honors, BSc Honors, and BS, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Professor Dr. Muhammad Ashraf Shaheen, nominee of the Dean, Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences, is requested to present the candidates for award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the Department of Allied Health Sciences who have been duly admitted to receive the degree of DPT, DHND, and DMLS, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Professor Dr. Sajid Bashir, nominee of the Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy, is requested to present the candidates for award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the College of Pharmacy who have been duly admitted to receive the degrees of PhD, MPhil, and Form D, to which I pray they may be admitted.
Professor Dr. Muhammad Ilyas Tariq, nominee of the Dean, Faculty of Sciences, is requested to present the candidates for the award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the Institute of Chemistry, Department of Biotechnology, Department of Botany, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Department of Earth Sciences, Department of Mathematics, Department of Physics, Department of Statistics, and Department of Zoology, who have been duly admitted to receive the degree of PhD, MPhil, MS, BS, BSc, and ADS, to which I pray they be admitted.
Professor Dr. Ghulam Yasin, nominee of the Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, is requested to present the candidates for the award of degrees.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, I present the candidates from the Department of Economics, Department of History and Pakistan Studies, Department of Politics and International Relations, Department of Psychology, Department of Social Work, Department of Sociology and Criminology, Department of Education, Malik Feroz Khan Noon Business School, who have been duly admitted to receive the degrees of PhD, MPhil, MS, MA, MSc, MCom, MBA, MEd, BS, BBA Honours, BCom Honours, BEd, and ADC, to which I pray they be admitted.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir, I request you to confer degrees upon the candidates.
I admit you to the degrees in your relevant disciplines, and in token thereof, I present to you this degree and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this degree. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. All the candidates are requested to be seated, please. First position holders are requested to assemble near the stage. Honorable Vice Chancellor and His Excellency Zhao Sheng, Sir, I request you to award gold medals to the position holders. First position holders from Faculty of Agriculture. Manahil Siddiqui, BSc Honours Agriculture Agronomy 2017-21. Sabah Noor, BSc Honours Animal Sciences 2016-20. Sana Ashraf. Sana Ashraf, BSc Honours in Food Science and Technology 2016-20. Rabia Kamal, BSc Honours in Food Science and Technology 2017-21. Sayyid Adil Sajid, BSc Honours in Agriculture 2016-20. First position holders from Faculty of Arts and Humanities, Abdul Ghaffar Ikram, BS English, 2016-20. Muqaddas, BS English, 2017-21. Khadija Shehraz, BS Fine Arts, 2016-20. Nabil Ahmed, BS Fine Arts, 2017-21. Hala Khalid, BS Graphic Design, 2017-21. Afia Tariq, BS Islamic Studies, 2016-20. Solat Balkis, BS Islamic Studies, 2016-20. Aisha Gulzar, BS Library and Information Sciences, 2016-20. Sidra Nasir, BS Library and Information Sciences, 2017-21. Maria Rahmat, BS Mass Communication, 2016-20. Kanzatun Noor, BS Textile Design, 2016-20. Samiullah, BS Urdu, 2016-20. Shazia Shaheen. Shazia Shaheen, BS Urdu, 2017-21. Hamail Zainab, LLB Honors 5-year, 2015-20. Umar Farooq, LLB Honors 5-year, 2016-21. Wajiha Amjad, first position, MA English, 2019-21. Atiya Mushtaq, MA Fine Arts, 2018-20. Naeemul Ghafoor, MA Islamic Studies, 2018-20. Sundas Baby, MA Islamic Studies, 2019-21. Adil Mukhtar. Adil Mukhtar, MA Islamic Studies, 2020.
मेरे सब साथियों से बच्चों से दरख्वास्त है कि जब ये बच्चे मेडल माशाल्लाह इन्होंने टॉप किया अपने बैजेस को, तो जब ये लेने आते हैं तो थोड़ा सा अप्रिसिएशन के लिए तालियां बजा दिया करें।
Muniba Salim. Muniba Salim, first position, MA Punjabi 2018 to 20. Nazia Shamir, MA Punjabi 2019 to 21. Shazia Batul. Shazia Batul, first position, MA Urdu 2018 to 20. Rao Muhammad Zahid, Master of Library and Information Sciences 2019 to 21. Shakil Akbar, MSc Physical Education 2018 to 20. Cynthia David, Bachelor of Graphics Design 2017 to 21. Maham Riaz, MA English 2021. Dabir Abbas, MA Punjabi 2021. Rehana Kausar, MA Urdu 2021. Sumaira Batul. Sumaira Batul, MA Fine Arts 2019 to 21. First position holders from Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Ziaur Rahman, BSc Electrical Engineering 2016 to 20. Muhammad Naveed Gul, BSc Mechanical Engineering 2017 to 21. Abdul Rahman, BS Civil Engineering Technology 2017 to 21. Umair Hamza, BS Electrical Engineering Technology 2016 to 20. Muhammad, audience, please give a round of applause to all position holders. Muhammad Zishan Sarwar, BS Electrical Engineering Technology 2017-21. First position holders from Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences, Sehrish Nasreen, Doctor of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, 2020. Rida Mahmood, Doctor of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, 2016 to 2021. Amanat Ali, Doctor of Medical Lab Sciences, 2016 to 21. Maham Sohail, Doctor of Physical Therapy, 2016 to 21. First position holders from Faculty of Pharmacy, Maryam Ijaz, Form D, 2015 to 20. Lareb, Form D, 2016 to 21. First position holders from Faculty of Sciences, Muhammad Bilal Arshad, BS Computer Science, 2016 to 20. Humayun Mustafa Mazhar, BS Computer Science, 2017 to 21. Shaista Server, BS Information Technology, 2016 to 20. Mohammad Sadakat Janjua, BS Information Technology, 2017 to 21. Mohammad Arsalan Ehsan, BS Software Engineering, 2016 to 20. Ahmad Islam, BS Software Engineering, 2017 to 21. Fozia Inayat, BS Biotechnology, 2017 to 21. Isma Salim. Isma Salim, BS Botany, 2017 to 21. Amna Asghar, BS Chemistry, 2016 to 20. Farheen Ashraf, BS Chemistry, 2017 to 21. Muhammad Ansar Salim, BS Geology, 2016 to 20. Saman Rubab, BS Mathematics, 2016 to 20. Maryam Aslam, BS Mathematics, 2017 to 21. Mohsin Hayat, BS Physics, 2016 to 20. Bushra Ashraf, BS Statistics, 2017 to 21. Please appreciate our gold medalists. Mohammad Noman, BS Zoology, 2016 to 20. Tehreem Rahman, BS Zoology, 2017 to 21. Shumaila Yasin, MSc Botany, 2018 to 20. Aisha Nazir. Aisha Nazir, MSc Botany, 2019 to 21. Shanza Munir, MSc Chemistry, 2018 to 20. Muntaha Idris, MSc Chemistry 2019 to 21. Rashika Nazir, MSc Geography 2018 to 20. Tania Ejaz, MSc IT 2018 to 20, first position. Safina Fatima, MSc IT 2019 to 21. Mamoon Shabir, MSc Mathematics 2018 to 20. Ramla Shehzadi, MSc Mathematics 2019 to 21. Aisha Shafkat, MSc Physics 2018 to 20. Ume Kulsoom, MSc Physics 2019 to 21. Aisha Ilyas, MSc Statistics 2018 to 20. Sana Ijaz, MSc Statistics 2019 to 21. Amna Mansab, MSc Zoology 2018 to 20, first position. Aksa Yusuf, MSc Zoology 2019 to 21. Hafiza Shumaim Gul, Hafiza Shumaim Gul, MSc Botany 2021. Rahat Batul, Rahat Batul, MSc Chemistry 2021. Noshin Hussain, MSc Mathematics 2021. Alina Aruj, MSc Zoology 2021. Gold medalists are first position holders from Faculty of Social Sciences. Seher Jabin, B.Ed Honors Elementary 2016 to 20. Moiza, B.Ed Honors Elementary 2017 to 21. Ramla Khan, Ramla Khan, Aisha Bakhtawar, BBA Honors 2016 to 20. Fahad Ali, BCom Honors 2016 to 20. Adila Kamal, BCom Honors 2017 to 21. Sania Nadeem Khan, Bachelor of Education 2018 to 20. Saira Bibi, BS Economics 2016 to 20. Zoya Anjum, BS Economics 2017 to 21. Anam Parvez, BS Education 2016 to 20. Gulnaz Ataur Rahman, BS Education 2017 to 21. Asma Qayyum, BS History 2017 to 21. Ikra, BS Mass Communication 2017 to 21. Audience, please clap for our gold medalists. Ali Akram, BS Political Science 2017 to 21. Amara Afzal, BS Psychology 2016 to 20. Bushra Ashraf, BS Psychology 2017 to 21. Maimoona Arshad, BS Social Work 2016 to 20. Neha Bajwa, BS Social Work 2017 to 21. Ikra Unnisa, BS Sociology 2016 to 20. Ambareen Imtiaz, BS Sociology 2017 to 21. Hafiza Sana Arshad, Ghulam Hafza, MA Mass Communication 2019 to 21. Sohail, Doctor of Physical Therapy 2016 to 21. Sahar Jabin, MA Education 2019 to 21. Rashida Tanveer, MA Education 2020, first position. Rizwan Jaffer, MA History 2018 to 20. Ghulam Mujtaba, Physical Therapy Ghulam Mujtaba, first position, MA History, 2019 to 21. Shahid Sultan, MA History, 2020. Nargis Yasmeen, MA Pakistan Studies, 2018 to 20, first position. Saima Murtaza, MA Pakistan Studies, 2019 to 21. Saad Abdullah. Saad Abdullah, MA Political Science, 2018 to 20. Audience, please appreciate our gold medalists. Hafza Muhammad Deen, MA Social Work, 2018 to 20. Abdul Rahman, MA Social Work, 2019 to 21. Ikra Abdul Rasool, MBA, 2017 to 21, first position. Hafiz Muhammad Hasnan, MBA, 2018 to 20, first position. Kainat Idris, MBA, 2016 to 20. Iram Shehzadi, MCOM, 2018 to 20. Tanzila Yasmeen, MCOM, 2019 to 21. Habiba Gulzar, first position, MSc Economics, 2018 to 20. Shakila Yasmeen, MSc Economics, 2019 to 21. Kinza Khalid, MSc Psychology, 2018 to 20. Nida Farooq, MSc Psychology, 2019 to 21. Noor Bakht. Noor Bakht, first position, MSc Psychology, 2020. Zahoor Allah Noor, MSc Sociology, 2018 to 20. Muhammad Nawaz, MSc Sociology, 2019 to 21. Samra Ijaz, MA Economics, 2021. Please clap for our gold medalists. Muhammad Hasnan Ashraf, MA History, 2021. Rai Arsalan Ahmed, MA International Relations, 2021. Zahid Hussain, MA Political Science, 2021. Rukhsar Shakil, MSc Psychology 2021, first position. Ahmed, MA Political Science 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to our gold medalists. Thank you. The PhD candidates are now requested to please assemble near the stage. Honorable Vice Chancellor and His Excellency Zhao Shiring, sir, I request you to please award PhD degrees to the candidates. Faculty of Agriculture, Mohammad Wasim Abbas, PhD Agri-Entomology 2022. Mohammad Yunus Ahmadani, PhD Agronomy 2021. Mohammad Yusuf Quddus, PhD Food and Nutrition 2021. Lala Rokh, PhD Food Science and Technology 2021. Amara Annie. Amara Annie, PhD Food Science and Technology 2022. Mohammad Bilal Shahid, PhD Food Science and Technology 2022. Ali Raza Siddiqui, PhD Soil Science 2021. Syed Ayaz Javed, PhD Soil Science 2022. Faculty of Arts and Humanities, Samia Athar, PhD Islamic Studies 2022. Shah Abdul Rauf. Shah Abdul Rauf, PhD Islamic Studies 2022. Mohammad Shahbaz, PhD Islamic Studies 2022. Mohammad Haroon, PhD Islamic Studies 2022. Tariq Aziz, PhD Islamic Studies 2022. Nosheen Safdar. Nosheen Safdar, PhD Urdu 2021. Mohammad Khurram, PhD Urdu 2021. Asif Ali, PhD Urdu 2021. Sumaira Umar, PhD Urdu 2021. Sumaira Umar, PhD Urdu 2021. Sayyid Muhammad Murtaza, PhD Urdu 2022. Asad Abbas, PhD Urdu 2022. Arif Siddiq. Muniba Zahra Naqvi. Arif Siddiq, PhD Urdu 2022. Muniba Zahra Naqvi, PhD Urdu 2022. Rizwana Naqvi, PhD Urdu 2022. Hafiz Rashid Hussain, PhD Pharmaceutics from Faculty of Pharmacy 2022. Faculty of Sciences, Shamshad Kausar, PhD Botany 2022. Asma Ishfaq, PhD Botany 2022. Shehzad Akhtar, PhD Botany 2022. Muhammad Yusuf, PhD Mathematics 2021. Amir Shehzad, PhD Mathematics 2022. Ambareen Ayub, PhD Mathematics 2022. Sayyid Ali Haider Shah, PhD Mathematics 2022. Anwar Khan, PhD Mathematics 2022. Muhammad Qamar Iqbal, PhD Mathematics 2022. Uzma Ahmed, PhD Mathematics 2021. Rashid Mahmood, PhD Chemistry 2021. Rizwan Ashraf, PhD Chemistry 2021. Faculty of Social Sciences, Muzammil Hussain, PhD Economics 2021. Audience, please clap for our degree holders. Rohina Gul, PhD Education 2021. Muhammad Farooq, PhD Education 2021. Sahibzada Shamimur Rasool, PhD Education 2021. Abda Parveen, PhD Education 2021. Tariq Salim Gayoor, PhD Education 2022. Najibullah Khan, PhD Education 2022. Muhammad Abu Bakr, PhD Education 2022. Shabana Zahoor, PhD Education 2022. Shabana Zahoor, PhD Education 2022. Muhammad Sherbaz Ali, PhD Education 2022. Isa Fatima Makhdoom, PhD Psychology 2021. Umair Ahmed, PhD Sociology 2021. Thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor. I would request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to present shields to the honorable guests as a token of gratitude. I request our guest of honor, Consul General Mr. Zhao Shring, to please receive the shield from our Honorable Vice Chancellor. I request Professor Dr. Mahmood Salim, Vice Chancellor Mir Chakir Khan, Rind University of Technology, DG Khan, to please receive the shield from Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Sargodha. I request Professor Dr. Riazul Haq, Founder, Vice Chancellor, University of Sargodha, to please receive the shield from Honorable Vice Chancellor. I thank the honorable guests. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please join us to give a round of applause to all position holders and medal winners. Thank you. I request His Excellency Zhao Shirin, Consul General of People's Republic of China, to please deliver address to the graduates and position holders of the 9th convocation at University of Sargodha. Please welcome our guest of honor.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, professors, faculty member, distinguished invited guests, and all the students and participants. Assalamu alaikum. I'm not sure whether I should say good morning or good afternoon, but assalamu alaikum. I really have both pleasure and privilege to be invited as chief guest to this occasion and this convocation ceremony. Indeed, it is the first ceremony I attended since I assumed the office of Consul General of China in Lahore. So I'm very happy to be part of this event. And thank you so much for your invitation, Honorable Vice Chancellor. And it is also the first time for me to visit the city of Sargodha, and especially the university, Sargodha University in particular. I have been deeply impressed by my trip, and I also would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduates, all the students. And I wish that in the future, by this graduation, by this convocation, you could proceed to the society from the college campus, because really education is the best investment. Good education really could produce very tangible and optimal interest. So good education can also enable you, an individual, to pursue your personal life as well as the professional career in the future. So my sincere wish, goodwill, and blessing for all the students, all the graduates to pursue a better life, to have a bright future in your undertaking, in your future endeavor. And also I have taken note that the university has a kind of collaboration and cooperation with Chinese side and with the Consulate General of China here in Lahore. There's a Confucius Institute here in this university teaching Chinese language courses. And also, I have a personal keen interest that you have a Chinese or China Study Center. After this ceremony, I wish I could have a personal tour of that center, which means we wish that in the future, the Chinese Consulate General could further collaborate and strengthen our partnership, our project with Sargodha University for the mutual benefits of our two peoples and our two countries. I believe at the moment the momentum is really going, and not only in terms of the CPEC project, but also right after the visit of your Prime Minister, the first official visit to China produced very constructive and successful outcomes. So I have more confidence in and higher anticipation of the future brighter prospects of China-Pakistan relations. So once again, I thank you and I congratulate all of you, and I wish that we could further forge ahead with our collaboration, with our bilateral relations. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to please deliver the convocation address.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable His Excellency, the Consul General, Mr. Chak, Chinese Consulate, Lahore. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Member Syndicate Professor Dr. Muhammad Salim. Honorable Former Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Riazul Haq Tariq, the founding Vice Chancellor of Sargodha University. Dignitaries, deans, directors, principals, heads of departments, faculty members, respected guests, dear graduates and parents, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am greatly honored and immensely pleased to welcome you all, especially to our esteemed guest of honor, the Consul General, to this very happy occasion, the 9th convocation of University of Sargodha. I equally feel delighted because this is my first convocation as a Vice Chancellor, University of Sargodha. This year, the university has completed 20 years of its march towards excellence and greatness. I have just heard from Professor Dr. Riazul Haq Tariq Saab that yesterday, 16th of November 2002, the charter of this university was signed by the Governor of Punjab. Congratulations to all. I sincerely thank all of you for gracing this happy occasion during which we shall confer degrees upon 59,000 successful graduates from this university. Your Excellency, the Consul General, sir, I sincerely present my gratitude for your gracious presence today and the interest you have shown to encourage and patronize our young graduates. It is, of course, a great day for our graduates, and your presence here today has made it more special and memorable for all of us. Thank you so much for coming over. Dear graduates, your first and foremost duty is to serve your beloved homeland because you are the valuable assets of Pakistan. Your constructive contribution in your profession will significantly add worth to the development of your society. All of us are alive to the challenging times our country is passing through and the myriads of local and global dangers, security and economic issues, social and political upheavals. But efficient and honest individuals strengthen their respective institutions. Youth is our capital, and with your hard work, time is not far away when Pakistan will march towards a more prosperous, safer, and economically sound future. Let's yourself explore the opportunities, avail them, and play useful roles in the society. Honorable guests, University of Sargodha was established in 2002 as a public sector university. Since its inception, it has witnessed a huge progress in teaching, research, and community service. Its academic profile is quite fascinating. Over 19,000 students are being taught by more than 50 faculty members. Nearly 300 of our faculty members have PhD degree. The university consists of 4 constituent colleges and 7 faculties. With one of the lowest fee structures in the country, need and merit-based financial support to our students, we are striving to offer quality education within the limited resources. Respected graduates and dignitaries, at the University of Sargodha, we offer quality education, academic excellence, research, productivity, knowledge sharing, and global outlook. Our major strength lies in our belief to transform the students through empirical knowledge and experiential learning. We also inculcate rich legacy of culture and religious values in our students. Throughout the years, our university remains abuzz with scholarly events such as job fairs, co-curricular activities, and sports competitions. Such intellectual experiences help students to combat extremist narratives and become leaders of a progressive, tolerant, and inclusive Pakistan. University of Sargodha takes pride in its instrumental role in the demographic and economic growth of the city of Sargodha and the province of Punjab. Through generation of skilled workforce, development of agrarian products, and the provision of community service. I, as a Vice Chancellor, look forward to work for the progressive journey of the university through practical measures for the advancement in modes of quality teaching, research, innovation, and commercialization, academic industrial linkages, and international and national collaborations with different institutions around the world. Together, we will foster robust infrastructure and develop creative skills among our students to maximize our intellectual properties through registered patents. I wish to further enhance academic visitations to the reputable institutions and sign different memorandum of understandings on academic collaborations with the institutions. University of Sargodha is improving through impressive performance each year in the world prestigious Times Higher Education rankings. In the Times Higher Education ranking of 22 and 23, the university has ranked among 350 in young universities in the world. This is a great achievement. And 350 in the Asian ranking, 600 plus in the impact factor rankings, and top 1,000 universities in the world. It is also ranked 400 plus Asian universities in QS ranking in 2023. I intend to work along with my team to improve the rankings of the university and consolidate its global academic profile. Now, let me take this opportunity to share with you a few promising potential areas of growth of this ongoing journey towards academics excellence. The faculty is accentuated by expecting appointment process of the regular faculty members to improve student-teacher ratio. One of the issues of this university is that we want to recruit highly qualified faculties. There are a lot of vacant positions available. Around 250 professors and associate professor positions are lying vacant. So this is one of the future challenges for me. So I have a target for this, that by the 30th June 2023, I am going to hire all the relevant faculty members at those positions. One of my dream is that the world is moving towards interdisciplinary research and interdisciplinary teaching programs. So I am going to set up, inshallah, with the support of my colleagues and students and staff, one of the world-class interdisciplinary research and teaching center in next couple of years. I think community service is one of the important aspect and one of the important responsibilities of the university. So this is one of the initiatives that I am going to take in next 4 years, that we would want to strongly involve ourselves with the community development of this city, Sargodha. So I am asking my colleagues and students, please take part in community development activities of this important city. I also believe that job fairs is one of the important activities that should be happening in the university. So from this year, 2022, we are starting job fair at the respective faculties, because this is one of the gap that we want to bridge this gap between the academia and industry. So we are trying to bring the major industry stakeholders, the job providers in the university for our graduates, so that they should come and recruit our graduates in the university. University alumni is one of the important this source and activity for the universities. So one of the big area of this university is that we have never interacted with our alumni. I just would like to share with you that this university owns actually 426,000 graduates. 4,26,000 graduates have been produced from this university. I think this is a very huge resource for all of us. So I am going to tap this resource for the grooming, for the development, for the growth of this university. If we are successful even to just tap 2 lakh students, I think that would increase the wonderful opportunities for these students. So for this, I have an idea in mind. I am going to develop an alumni club here in this university. So there will be a person, a graduate, who will be president, vice president, secretary. We will provide them space here. They will come regularly, sit in their offices, interact with our graduate students, and how they can help us in giving jobs and opportunities in the industry, and also help the university in the future development process. I think this is also one of the area where we are going to work. I have some also plans for the development and welfare of this my faculty and staff. So because I think there are 3 parts of this university. One, on top we have students. Students should be given top priority. That is our responsibility. Number 2, I think faculty is the most important person in the university. So we will work to facilitate our faculty. Third, the staff. myself, the registrar, controller, and other officers.
Chancellor from University of Thal and from Nankana Sahib, thank you so much for coming over, and all the dignitaries, the Member of Parliament and also sitting here, thank you so much for coming over. Dear graduates, once again I extend my warmest congratulations to you and your parents and best wishes for your future pursuits and future of beloved country to be steered and shaped by you. I share your joy and happiness for your parents and loved ones. At the end, I would like to thank you, all the faculty members, staff, DSAs, Controller of Examinations and his team, Registrar and his team, for making this arrangement of this wonderful event. Thank you so much, all of you. I would like to thank also the committee members and the conveners of different committees who were involved since last 1 and 2 months for the smooth function of this very important event, convocation, 9th convocation of this university. Thank you so much. I also would like to thank the vendors, especially the people who came from Lahore for this beautiful marquee and place, providing us space for this happening, this convocation. All the media friends who are sitting here, thank you so much for coming over and for the promotion of this our university. I'm grateful to you all. And I'm also grateful to all my staff, including security staff, also the janitorial staff, the gardeners, all the staffs who were involved in this process day and night. And I'm also thankful to the district administrations for their support, especially Deputy Commissioner and DPO Saab for providing us support and security measures for this convocation. Thank you so much, and God bless us, God bless Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you so much, sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, I request you to declare the convocation closed.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I declare the 9th convocation of Sargodha University closed.
Students and dear guests, you are requested to please remain at your seats. Guests, students, ladies and gentlemen, you are requested to please remain at your seats until the academic procession has left the pandal. Guests, candidates, ladies and gentlemen, I am requesting the academic procession. They are leaving the pandal. You are all requested to please rise and remain at your seats. Please rise and remain at your seats until the academic procession has left the pandal. All the students and guests are requested to please stay in the pandal until the academic procession has left the pandal. Shafiq Saab, photographer, you're requested to please come on the stage. The honorable guests are requested to please reach the committee room, Vice Chancellor office. जो graduating students हैं, जो registered students हैं, वो सब लोग अपने अपने respective departments जाएंगे. There is refreshment waiting for them at their relevant departments. Tayyab, photographer, please come on the stage. Tayyab साहब आप स्टेज पर तशरीफ ले आए.
म्यूजिक रोकें जरा. जो एफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कंट्रोलर एग्जाम ऑफिस में राब्ता करेंगे डिग्रीज के लिए. जो बाकी हमारे रेगुलर डिपार्टमेंट्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स में चले जाएं. जनरल ग्रेजुएट्स को डिग्रीज भी वहीं पे दी जाएंगी, उनकी रिफ्रेशमेंट का भी वहां पे बंदोबस्त है. और जो हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स जो हैं वो ऑलरेडी जो हमारा प्लान्ड प्रोग्राम है उसके मुताबिक कायदे-आज़म हाल में, मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं कि जो एफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कंट्रोलर एग्जाम ऑफिस में राब्ता करेंगे डिग्रीज के लिए. और जो हमारे रेगुलर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोधा मेन कैंपस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स में चले जाएं, वहाँ पे उन्हें डिग्रीज और रिफ्रेशमेंट का अरेंजमेंट है. I would like to acknowledge complete CSS team for the maintenance of discipline in the Pandal. CSS की कंप्लीट टीम के साथ ऑर्गेनाइजर्स का जो रोल है वो बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट था और हमारे इन स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑर्गेनाइजर्स की फॉर्म में एक बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया है. रख लूं मैं खाक तेरी अपनी जबी पे, गम का जो साया तूने मिटाया, दिल से लगाया हुआ प्यार है. ये अदब से कहा प्यार है, प्यार है, प्यार है, हमें प्यार है पाकिस्तान से, दिल जान से प्रोफेसर शजी हसन पंडाल में है, काइंडली थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टेज पे तशरीफ ले आए. प्रोफेसर शजी हसन. खिलता है आसमां पे तेरा नजारा, दिलकश है चांद तेरा, तेरा सितारा, लेते हैं नाम तेरा दिल की. मैं इसीलिए तमाम स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो अपने कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स में चले जाएं, वहाँ पे उनके लिए प्रॉपर रिफ्रेशमेंट का जो है वो अरेंजमेंट है. तमाम ग्रेजुएट्स जो हैं वो अपने कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स में चले जाएं.
से ये बात
जी, तमाम ग्रेजुएट्स ने अभी पंडाल में ही रश किया हुआ है, तो आप लोग जो है अपने कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स में चलें ताकि बाकी